Yo, it is Thahir. Today is 4K Monday and it also happens to be the first Monday since the curfew is somewhat lifted. There are restrictions. I need to get some computer accessories desperately. So I figured I'm going to walk there and show you guys what Colombo looks like now. This out, I am at laptop.lk. They've got area to clean and a thermometer and a thermometer as well. How cool is that? Don't have to use that. They've got kettles. Made it to Unity Plaza. Well, that was successful. It's nice to see quite a lot of traffic back on the road. So I didn't get accessories, I actually ended up getting a whole computer. Super excited because now I'm going to be able to edit way faster and probably do a lot more After Effects and stuff. I am stoked. So 4K Monday turned out to extend till GoPro Tuesday, and since I shot everything on GoPro, I figured why not. I am super stoked. I managed to pick up this computer after doing a lot of research and going to a lot of places and checking different options out. This just happened. Part of the reason I actually got it is also because I spent so much of time editing the past month, and I've been doing that on this, my beautiful MacBook. Ironically, it says Life on the Move, and sadly that is no longer the case anymore. So my thinking behind this purchase is that we are going to be based in Sri Lanka definitely for quite some time, and most likely stuck at home also for a while. And last month, on top of me actually publishing stuff on YouTube on not really a daily but quite frequent basis, I've actually been able to learn so many different things on using Premiere Pro, After Effects, a little bit of Photoshop and so many other things, and it's really got me excited in terms of working with these programs. And believe it or not, the last month I did all that work on just my MacBook Pro and Chanel's laptop as well. The amount of time I spent doing it was completely unnecessary just because my system was quite slow, and it also constricted me in terms of the things I could do. Having used Chanel's laptop, I understood how much more I could do if I had a bit more power, and so I decided to go for this rather than investing in another high-end laptop. In addition to all of that, I'm also excited to maybe do a few reviews and tutorials on the programs that I use. I spend a lot of time consuming tutorials, so I figured I might as well try and make bite-sized versions of those and share it with those of you or future people who may be interested in doing this sort of thing. And I figured now's the best time to do it. I got a great deal on all of this. So happy to share this with you guys. It's actually my own way of rewarding myself for sticking to uploading frequently for the last month. This is vlog number 16 in just 30 days. I'm going to stop rambling about this now and just end the vlog. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Enjoy.